Good morning. We're on the trail. We're packing today, 16 miles. I think it's like 9 o'clock. Let me see. 9:01. We already had to stop because Ford had to put KT tape on her heels and booty shorts is take a like one. We got dropped off and got Trail Magic right away. I think that parking lot is like a hopping place for Trail Magic because yesterday there was drinks there at the trailhead, and then when we were leaving, people were setting up to make hot dogs and stuff. We got woken up this morning by 10 million chickens and roosters, so that was exciting for everybody. We're slack packing back there today, so we are going Nobo. And then the trail does end kind of almost where the hostel is. And so tomorrow morning I'll let you hear all the chickens and the ducks and the geese and stuff making lovely noises. Water and bridges. Oh, there's like a fire pit over there. Yeah. Oh, Brush Mountain East Wilderness. Look how green my phone looks.
Very green. Those are beautiful campsites.
Oh my gosh, I can go downstairs normally. Want to see something of nightmares?
Neat.
What the actual... Oh my gosh. I just walked up on that.
That is an absolute thing of nightmares. Ew.
Neat.
What's wrong with him?
I know. (1924 to 71). Born in Kingston, Texas, died near this site in an airplane crash. America's most decorated veteran of World War II. Rhododendrons are blooming. I feel like summer is here. The views are more obstructed, but with all the trees, it just makes it so much greener and prettier. Where's the big fish?
It might be hard to see.
Can't see it.
Here. See that big rock? Down from that.
Wait, where? I don't think this works that well. I can't zoom in.
No.
Okay. Refried beans, canned cheese, chips, and a tortilla. Beans in a bag, chips in a bag. Fritos nacho cheese. Like, it almost feels like it should be echo-y. Echo! It is. Huh. We made it. Here's Dragon's Tooth. Go climb on it. Look at how flat it is out there.
Look at that giant mountain.
Shh. It's so hot today. So hot.
Sweaty.
Yeah.
Wait, what did you forget today, Jiffy?
I forgot my sweat rag. Helped out by Forward. Forgot my sit pad. Helped out by Forward. What else did I forget?
That's what friends are for.
Forgot my popsicles. Ford's trying to take a picture. Some flowers that looks like balls.
You got like vaginas.
She says vagina, I say ballsack. You can't really tell, but 700! Woo!
Let me fix it.
700.
Look at this beautiful 700. She's so nice. It's so nice. They made us send twice. This is now the fourth 700 we've seen. Yay! We made it 700. This is what we're about to climb up. I put my trekking poles in my bag. Use my old-fashioned hands. We've made it to a ledge.
Allegedly.
Allegedly. These are the ledges. With a beautiful view of the mountains. There it is. Tooth of that dragon. Are you gonna do it? Okay.
I don't know how.
So I just climbed from where Ford is. Potential next step up there.
How long have y'all been out?
So I'm hiking Virginia. My guess is they are through hiking, so they've probably been out longer.
Alright, this is so high up there.
When'd you start?
May 10th.
Oh yeah. Nice. Oh yeah. That's a beautiful spot. You see the horses?
I sure did, yeah. That was like my second day maybe, so.
Oh,
Good
I'm
start,
so
good start.
nervous.
Nice!
I didn't go all the way. Just to where you are, because it looked like the easiest way to stand. I climbed up that rock. I almost died. I was so scared. I never want to do that ever again. Look at that thing. I did that. Me. Freaking so scary. Oh, the scariest part was coming down. Because it's like very narrow going up. So going down. So scary. I wonder which way we go. Everyone kept telling us there'd be a rebar. Here it is.
Literally.
2 steps.
I'm rebarring.
Very nice. Careful. Oh, she did it.
I don't know how I managed it. This is way more dangerous.
I know. Ooh, gone. Hey, that was inappropriate. This is family video.
I don't like it.
You go that one. Go get to the wall.
Huh?
I'm not on the trail.
Am I on the trail?
Mm-hmm.
Up there? My foot.
You didn't. This has been the trail this whole time. Rock scramble. She's just a little girl.
You gotta hike, son.
There she goes. They definitely are not wrong there.
They didn't warn us beforehand. I'm quitting.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
See you later. You're doing great, sweetie.
Did they make this for people with short legs?
No.
Did they make this for people?
Yeah, for booty shorts.
That's very slippery. It's very slippery. There's lots of what you can't see in the videos. There's a fuck ton of pine needles on these rocks and sand. They're like,
You did it. She did it, everybody.
booty shorts just fly down like a little.
Oh my god. We both get to punch him.
I'd shank him.
They're blooming. They're blooming. Ooh. Actually, I don't know if that sounds that good.
I just want fruit
I want something cold.
and a Gatorade.
Popsicle, please.
Give me some pineapple.
Oh,
Probably like
A truck full.
a truckload of beer. Yeah, is that Pennsylvania?
you can see the hostel from where we're at. We're almost there. There's our tent. Right there.
I don't see my gun.
Well, dude, this is like a backpack. The toothpaste? Oh, you guys have one of those.
Good morning. We started at 10 o'clock. We're kind of semi-winging things. We are gonna get to Catawba shelter and then see how we feel if we want to go over McAfee knob today or wait. Because it is a weekend, it's Sunday, so we know it's gonna be hopping. It's also really freaking hot again. It's been in the 80s for the past 4 days. And tomorrow there might be thunderstorms in the afternoon. So that could sway our decision either way. But so far we've been hiking for like a little over a mile, I think. And it's been okay terrain so far.
I
Okay,
was thinking this kind of looks enough.
there's like a wheel right here. That's cool. So there must have been like a spigot or something out here that would turn, and then that would turn. I wonder if this used to be a lot more full. You would think so. Oh, look at a black and white one.
Yeah.
Oh, he was like, hello. What's up, girl? She is annoyed. Oh, squeeze. the hay. Sitting here enjoying our snack after a horrendous climb, and we can see we can see, oops, focus, up there, like right there, it's Dragon's Tooth, which we climbed up yesterday. We did that ridge line. Some kind of bird's nest there. And like, oh, I can't really tell. Just like a clump of leaves and stuff right there.
Just a little bit.
$5.
It's okay, it'll
Down
be
the
dark,
nose.
so.
Like from here, from
We're
that,
show
so
up
it's
at the
like
hotel working.
that's like
Yeah,
the bar
you
of
know
the
it.
middle of the
I
table.
like
You gotta walk.
I'm trying. Am I supposed to?
Everybody jumped right on board too. You're so
how you
tan,
just-
I don't know if
like-
this
you
is
can't even see
working.
it.
You can't
Like,
even
hey,
see it, bro.
the eyebrows
too
in the
much
middle
hair,
thing.
you
Well,
can't
okay. So like, boom.
Yeah, it's gonna be a little like angled because your face is round.
Yeah.
Try and hit like
Yeah.
there.
You gotta
yeah.
keep this not very charcoal-y.
Putting on their little makeup.
Last time you put on makeup, It's been a minute. Yeah,
Beautiful. Yeah, look surprised, Zen.
Unibrow. I mean, it is our first night hike, so we are.
The first time I went to Rocky Horror, it was for like a Christmas show, and I was the virgin. They made me suck a giant candy cane. It was miserable.
Suck a giant.
Yeah, in front of like 100 people.
I just got kissed by a man.
It was awful. Wait, you got
I just got kissed by a man. I got kissed by the biggest dude I've ever seen in my life.
Was it good?
It was more surprising than good.
I need to see like a warrior pose, guys. This is not. hold on.
Y'all just had a seven cameras out right now.
Where do we look?
Okay, 1, 2, 3, look at me.
1, 2, 3. Look at me. Angry. Hold on. Look at me.
There's no water. I'm strong. H2O. Thirsty. I need more water.
For all the daywalkers that are going to be terrified by us.
The daywalkers.
Daywalkers.
Day tripper. A day tripper. Yeah.
This is getting me pumped.
And now you're gonna night hike without a trekking pole because they're gonna break.
Fight to the death. Tell him.
Oh, I can't really tell. Oh, there's some. We're night hiking. Some deers. Hi, deers. You scared me. You scared the poop out of me. Okay. We just night hiked. Well, we got up at 2. Started hiking at 3. So we could get up to McAfee knob for sunrise. I kind of see it right now. City lights. McAfee knob there. Beautiful sunrise. Show you what it looks like from the other side. Beautiful booty shorts, beautiful forward. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. Look at that with the sun.
So pretty.
So we left camp. We stayed the night at the shelter right before McAfee. We got to the knob at 4. It was still dark. We took an hour nap. This is where we took our nap at.
It's like a 4-foot space.
Yeah, and it was super windy and cold.
I wrote myself in Tyvek.
Oh yeah, Tyvek was the blanket of choice. But then, look at the sun. Oh, I ruin it when I get it there. Ruin it. Beautiful. Ruin it. Trying to get a hyperlapse of the sunrise. This guy is like staring me down. He wants my breakfast. No. Don't come attack me. You gotta do a hyperlapse. Sunrise. Looking up. Standing on the edge of the world. Coming down from McAfee. Look at these big boulders. These are some big boulders.
Did you shower?
Ford thinks I smell nice. That's kind of a scary thought for her.
I don't think it's you.
Oh, yeah. Ooh, I want that river to be right here. Come here, Roger. 18. They don't want you to go under the rock. Afraid you're gonna die? You gotta go this way? Tinker Cliffs. Where? Over there? Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, that's a
That's where we were this morning. We did all this. That's crazy.
that ridgeline.
Yeah. Good job. There's some cool. That's where we were, McAfee Knob. Did all that. We're still alive. These cliffs be tinkering. Oh yeah, we ditched Moody. Too slow, gotta go. You can't.
We got stuff to eat.
Yeah.
We got towns to conquer.
He's just so slow, he can't keep up with us. There's a white blaze over there on that tree, and then the white blaze on this rock. Choose your own adventure? Don't fall down. Okay. We hiked from down there to up there to bloop, 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 here. You look where I'm going. underbelly of Tinker Cliffs.
We just came here instead.
This feels like McAfee, right? We're on the outskirts. Kind of cool. Clouds look cool.
You look cool.
I know. A little note in the trail says bear family ahead. Cool. Hi bears, where are you? Here's a big old rock. Some would call it a monolith. Apparently there's great views if you climb on top. I'm gonna hard pass on that because my feet hurt and I want to get to town. Ready? Lift it up. Oh, you're so strong. My gosh, the strongest boyfriend I ever had. Cheers. Oh my god, I can't even lift this.
Good though.
No, you guys gotta chug the rest of it. Ready, set, chug, 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 chug.
You know it.
I like how skinny he fucking is.
It is frozen and you can't. I've been ready for it.
I was gonna do it. That happened to me too. I tried to do the same thing.
That's okay.
Who's gonna finish first?
This is a competition, Zen. Wait, I thought the last one to the mountain wins.
So bad. Not so bad. Not so bad. Not so bad. Not so bad.
You gotta do competition.
Not so bad. Not so bad.
This straw. Let's go. Bottoms up.
Oh, fuck the straw! Oh no!
Oh my god.
I went for it, man.
Haul from Kroger, kind of expensive, but I got fancy things. Yeah. We stayed at the Super 8 last night. Then we're gonna go get some barbecue. Ford's gonna send some things home. And we're just gonna do 5 miles today. Because we can. Just a small little lunch. Oh my gosh, so delicious. Waiting to cross the trail. It's right there. Heck yeah! Only 2/3 left. Woo!
I'm so sweaty.
I did it. He didn't and she didn't, but I did.
Excuse me.
Just me.
Rude.
All by myself with no help from nobody else. So we're just leaving Daleville. A little bit of a different type of day. We are only doing 5 miles and we started at 3 p.m. The hottest part of the day. Dripping sweat. You can still hear the highway that we just stayed next to. So we're not very far. And we're dripping sweat all over the place.
So that's
Very attractive.
sweating balls.
Oh, Forward said her balls are sweating off, so That's unfortunate for her. Okay, bye. I'm hiking now. See what I mean? No one else. Ooh. There's thunder. Someone's scared. It's fine above us. Not over there. She can't help herself. It's too pretty. She has to go back. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. Look at that with the sun.
It's so pretty.
Mm-hmm.